Hello all, welcome back to Bhakti Ma'am's channel. Here I am Pushti Kotak with all of you, and some of our guys requested us for the cell history, so here we are in front of all of you with the cell history under the guidance of Bhakti Ma'am. So let's begin. Cell, the fundamental unit of life. The word comes cell. When the word cell comes, we all have certain questions that who had a wonderful mind to discover the cell. So he was none other than our great scientist Robert Hooke, who discovered the cell in 1665. He discovered the dead cells of a cork. What is cork? Cork is a part of a branch of a tree or a plant. And after Robert Hooke in 1665 he discovered, after that many other scientists also came who had also some nice and wonderful minds to create something. So after I think after 10 years, right, 1665, then 1675, this is 1674 came us Leeuwenhoek, Sir Leeuwenhoek, Anthony von Leeuwenhoek. He discovered the living cells. He worked on the chick cells, our chicks. He worked on the chick cells and discovered the cells on a living body. Then came the Robert Brown, who discovered the nucleus of a cell. He came in 1831. After 2 centuries, he came. It was the year 1831 when Robert Brown discovered the nucleus of a cell. Then came the Sir Perkin J. He came in 1839 and discovered the term. He coined the term protoplasm. The term means the protoplasm means the nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm, the fluid inside the nucleus of a cell, and nucleoplasm and cytoplasm, the fluid inside the cell. Basically the fluid which we classify it as cytoplasm. So the combination of that is cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm, that is protoplasm. The term was coined by Sir Perkin J. And after that in 1838 Sir Schleiden came. His full name was Matthias Schleiden, and his partner was Theodor Schwann, who came in 1839. They both discovered the cell theory, and there are many points regarding the cell theory. After the cell theory was given by Schleiden and Schwann, the other great minded scientist came, Virchow, in 1855. He added one more point in the cell theory of Schleiden and Schwann. He said that all the cell arrive from the pre-existing cell. That means each and every cell is formed from the cell division of its primary existing cell. So this point was given by Virchow. And next came in 1830, and they both gave the electron microscope. They discovered the electron microscope, and they were none other than Knoll and Ruska. Here we can see the electron microscope was discovered on this year 1830, and before that Sir Robert Hooke, he made a primitive microscope and watched the dead cells in a primitive microscope which was composed by him. And then the Leeuwenhoek and Robert Brown, Perkins, Schleiden and Schwann and Virchow, all of them made their own some advanced characteristics were added. And after that Knoll and Ruska discovered the electron microscope, in which we can see all the organelles of the cell very clearly. So this much, and the cell history ends over here. And now also there are many scientists who are working upon the cytology and creating many inventions. So thank you.